Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2018 Ram 2500. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. This model accommodates 6 passengers comfortably and provides features such as one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.